GnRH2, also known as gonadotropin-releasing hormone 2 or LHRH-II. Its gene is located on human chromosome 20. Most vertebrate species possess 2 or 3 forms of gonadotropin-releasing hormone, GnRH, expressed in 3 distinct brain regions. Although the function of the hypothalamic form, GnRH1, common to many vertebrates, in controlling the reproductive axis has been defined, the functions of the other 2 isoforms, GnRH2 and GnRH3, remain largely unknown. The presence and conservation of GnRH2 across vertebrate species indicate important biological roles, but the absence of GnRH2 in rodents has greatly hampered the use of these vertebrate models and modern molecular tools to pursue its functions. A relatively well-documented function of GnRH2 is that the administration of GnRH2 has anorexigenic effects in female musk, shrew, mouse, goldfish and zebrafish, but the mechanisms are still unclear. See also: gonadotropin-releasing hormone, GnRH1. Gonadotropin-releasing hormone agonist. Gonadotropin-releasing hormone antagonist. References